Welcome to my studio. My name is Amanda and I'm the owner and principal designer of AMA Designs. I created this video because I've been getting a lot of questions on how to mix and match patterns. So I figured why not dedicate a video to doing just that. When decorating, you're allowed up to 5 patterns in a room. I like to choose one pattern that's a geometric, one that is organic, so something that is free form, and the third pattern would be something to scale. So this could be a mini print or something over scale. I'm going to walk you through some samples that I have and we will start from the beginning. I have this fabric by, who is this? This is a Stark fabric. It's a geometric and it's actually a sheer fabric, so this is really great for window treatments. This is our geometric. If I were to incorporate another pattern, it would have to be something organic. Print number 2 is going to be this organic pattern from JF Fabrics. It's a cherry blossom and it's actually one of my favorites. So we have our one geometric, have our organic pattern, and now I need something of scale. In this case, I'm going to go with something that is a small scale print. It's this little dot fabric. So if you want to see that closer up, this is my favorite fabric too. It's Tebow, it's called Spot On, and there we have it. If I were to use these fabrics in a space, this would be the curtains. And these two fabrics would probably be on the sofa, and this would be like a small little pillow on the sofa, and this would be a bigger pillow, and this could be an ottoman fabric. Now you don't have to decorate with 3 patterns. I just feel like if you have one of each, it's easier to figure out what you need and don't need. If 3 patterns is too much for you, you can also just decorate with 2. And I'm going to start with this pattern, which would classify as organic. Now I'm going to pick a solid. So I'm going to pick up this blue color here, and I picked this blue velvet. For a small scale print, I am using this mini print that looks like this. This is not what I do all day. People think that I just play with fabrics. I'd love to play with fabrics all day, but I don't. I'm going to start with this geometric, and it also has some neutrals. And then for some fun, I have this zebra, which is kind of abstract. It has like a watercolor print. So we're gonna do this for organic. This would be my geometric, and just to pull a color, we can go with something like this for bring out more blues, or if you want to tone it down, just a neutral. Actually, all those look really nice together, so you could use all. I hope that made sense. You should have 3 patterns to start. It would be one geometric, one organic pattern or something freeform, and your third pattern is to scale. So if both your fabrics are of the same scale, go with something smaller or overscale. Okay? So thank you so much. If you need help with your design projects, feel free to send me an email. My email address is amanda@byamadesigns.com. I look forward to hearing from you.